Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix Facebook story music feature not available problem. To know how to fix Facebook story music feature not available problem, you should just go to settings here and you will click. After that, in this page you will go to here, apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this page, you will go to find the application of Facebook and you will enter here. After that, when you will see this page, you will go down to click for stop. When you will end this, you will go to click storage here. After that, in this page you will find in down here clear cache and you will click. After that, when you will end this, you will click clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.